Hey traders, it's Hima here, and I've got a skinny dip for you looking at key timing in the S&P markets. Today's Monday, August 3rd, 2020. Before we take a look at the charts, important reminder that trading and investing can be extremely risky business. Therefore, it's your responsibility to evaluate any information, opinion, advice, or other content contained in this video. So I just published the skinny and the mini futures reports, which cover the ES, that's the E-mini S&P 500 futures contract, as well as the NQ futures. Now, something really cool I noticed is that the breakout that we're seeing in price on the ES, which again is tied to the S&P 500 market, is coinciding with key timing in another key S&P 500 related market that many of you trade. So I have recently shared my Skinny Markets Outlook, which details that analysis and that exact key timing point. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and reach out to my team to find out how you can get your copy of the Skinny Markets Outlook. Now, looking at the ES and how that key timing will come into play, right now you can see that there is a trend line that's been on the ES since July that was confirmed on the 30th. So this is why those of you who get the Skinny in the Markets futures reports, the ES report, why I suddenly reduced down the trend lines last week, pointing to this one. Got rid of all kinds of other old stale ones. And this was super helpful to confirm Thursday's price action, so I hope you used it. Now, where is the market headed from here? Well, the key timing suggests a breakout from the consolidation that's been holding the S&P 500 markets for the past couple of weeks. And the next upside target on the ES is a closure of the gap down from February. So that would be first a move above the February 24th high at 3300.75, and then reaching the 3327.25 level to close the gap. Now, that in itself won't suggest further upside or downside. It depends on what specific price action plays out from there. But I think there's a pathway to return to the all-time high over the next several weeks, again, depending on the subsequent price action. So this is a really important week for S&P 500 markets. Again, the ES is starting to break out now. Another important S&P market is also breaking out and has key timing for this week. It's detailed in the Skinny Markets Outlook. And in the Skinny in the Markets futures report for the ES, I had been bringing your attention to this trend line, which has now served yet another confirmation buy signal. Keep an eye on it for further opportunities. Catch you next time. You can sign up at himareddy.com/gift to get my hot, timely, actionable updates as soon as I publish right to your inbox.